This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 76 of Building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. This is continuing the engine block, the radiator grille. We've got another grille, which we're going to put onto there. Does that matter which way round it is? Doesn't seem to be any cutouts or anything on there. So we'll just get that lined up on the outside of that, like so. 4 of these tiny screws will hold that in place. We do need one more of those as well. So 2, 3, 4. There's only 2 screws hold this in place. Okay, well that makes sense because there's only 4 in there. We've got 2 to do that, 1 to do something else, and 1 spare. Right, now I know there's only 2 screws holding that in place. Let me double check to see this does in fact not have different size holes in it. Oh, they seem to be the same. Yeah, we've got posts on 2 corners and screws on the other 2. That's actually bending up that way, so I'm going to turn that over to have that bending down. That will hold it in place a little bit better, I think. So we get one of these tiny screws to that corner. That tightened up. I'm going to tighten it all the way because I don't want it trying to escape. Get the second one of these tiny screws to this corner. And get that tightened all the way down as well. There we go. So the other corners are just pins in place, which is fine. The third of our tiny screws will hold this in place on there. There is a keyed piece, so it's got to go the right way round. Screw will go in from the back, lined up properly. Try that again. There we go. That just holds the oil cap, I assume. This is a radiator. Then that will go onto the bit that we've already done. 2 pins there. Slot over them. Like so. Yeah, it's got to go that way around. And then that will go over there, and the pins will continue through into that. Not sure that that is the right way around. Not, you know. Pretty much in the middle, so it might not matter. Let's try it the other way around and see if that's a little bit nicer. Those holes are different sizes actually, so it's got to be that way around. And that's got to be over there. A bit like that. There's 4 pins and those 2 pins to line up everything. bit like that, but not quite like that. There you go. So that all pops together. And there we have a radiator assembled. Cool. That looks quite nice. I'm quite happy with that. We haven't done anything with that yet. It's sort of the right size to fit on there, but it doesn't, I'm sure. Put it there for now because it's together. Put this aside because next time we're going to be doing a different sub-assembly. So I shall see you for that in a day or two. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.